Today, I'm going to show you how to get a space in your Roblox display name and explain why it may not be working for you yet. First, go to Roblox settings and look at the name section. If it says name instead of display name, that means your account already supports spaces in the display name. If it still says display name, then you currently can't add spaces, and this is why. One reason is account region. Some users report that setting their account location to the United States helps. Others also try using a VPN set to the US, but in many cases, this still does not change anything. Another thing people mention is creating new accounts, but that's not helpful if you want to use your main account. From what we can tell, Roblox is slowly rolling out this feature to more users. Newer accounts seem to get access first, while older accounts may not have it yet. So if you can't add a space right now, don't worry. This feature is being rolled out gradually, and everyone should get access eventually. If this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.